Hello everyone and welcome back to Can and Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to drain the boilers, both of the steam boiler and the brew boiler. We made sure there were no water or anything. We refill them again, and we also clean the water level probes, the ones that are located right here, as well as the NTC sensor of the machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing it out. We're grinding on the 21 setting of the grinder itself. We're using our test coffee. It's on the lock type position. Now we can hit the brew button of the machine, where it's going to be brewing that espresso shot that we just grind. Nice steady stream coming out of the spouts, as you can see. Great color as well. An excellent quantity for that espresso shot. Like I say, we're using our test coffee, and we got nice crema coming out of the espresso. Excellent buck, working great. Now we're going to be testing the steamer, and as you can see, the machine is definitely steaming. Great pressure coming out of the outer frother. It stops just as intended whenever you move it. And we're gonna test the hot water as well. As you can see, hot water comes out nice and hot, working excellent. So there you have it, Breville Oracle working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Can and Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.